So now students, let's see here question number 22. In the last video we have discussed question number 21. So here it is given cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x equal to 1. We have to prove here. So let's see here how we can prove it this one. So first what we will do it here. So we will take it here something common from these two terms. So that means we are getting here cot 3x common. So cot x into cot 2x, take it here minus cot 3x common. So if you are taking here cot 3x common, so what we will get here? Cot 2x and plus cot x. We will get this one in the from LHS side. So now students, what we can write on this one? Cot x into cot 2x minus this cot 3x can be written here 2x plus x. This cot 3x we can write on here cot 2x plus x. We can write on like this. So into cot 2x plus cot x. So now students, what we can do it here? We can use it here cot a plus b formula. Cot a plus b formula is there cot a into cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a. So we will use this formula here. So cot x into cot 2x, this one is into. So minus, use here that identities, that is the cot a into cot b minus 1 upon cot b, that is the x, plus cot 2x, close the bracket. In the next bracket, that is the cot 2x plus cot x. So we will get this much. So now students, what we can do it here? We can take the LCM here from these two terms. If we are taking the LCM, so how much you will get here? Cot 2x plus cot x. This term will be multiplied here. This term will multiply here, and denominator it will remain as it is. So just get it common from these two terms. So how much you will get here? That is the cot x plus cot 2x. Just after taking the LCM, we are writing here. So now this one it will be remain as it is. That is the cot x into cot 2x. This much will be as it is in the multiplications. Close the bracket, cot 2x, and minus this one, that is the cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Close the bracket, and here you will get, that is the cot 2x and plus cot x. You will get this much. And in the denominators, this much was the LCM. So generally students, no need to take here LCM also. Cot 2x plus cot x, it is in already multiplication, it can be cancelled. And open the brackets, that means direct you will get the 1. So no need to take it here LCM. Just wait. So as we are looking here, this one it is in multiplication cot x plus cot 2x, cot 2x plus cot x, it can be cancelled here because of multiplication. So now whatever it is remaining here, just do the multiplication with the negative sign. So what we will get here? Cot x into cot 2x and minus cot 2x into cot x plus 1. This one is a negative and this one is a positive. It can be cancelled. So how much we are getting here? 1. It is equal to what? RHS. Hence this one is proved here. So now let's see here next questions. Question number 23. So now student, let's see here question number 23. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x in the bracket 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. This much we have to prove here. So we will take it here LHS side, students. LHS side is given here tan 2 into 2x. We can write down like this. Tan 2x. We get this one as x. So tan 2 theta formula. Tan 2 theta formula is there. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. We have seen this formula. Tan 2 theta formula, that is the 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So at the place of theta, this one is the place of theta 2x. So we'll use it that one. So we'll get here 2 tan. How much we'll get here? 2x upon. Sorry for the disturbance. So now student, let's see here question number 23. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. This much is given here. So we will take it here LHS side. In the LHS side it is given here tan 4x. And tan 4x generally can be written here what? This can be written here tan 2 into 2x. We can write down here. Because of multiplications, we will get here 4x. This one is also angle. We can use it this bracket also. So now student, tan 2 theta. We did this one as theta. So what you will get here? Tan 2 theta formula you have learned it. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. Use it this formula. So what you will get here? 2 tan. At the place of theta it is 2x. So you will get here 2x upon 1 minus tan square theta. At the place of theta how much? 2x. So use it this one 2x. So now students, again we will use it this formula tan 2 theta. Tan 2 theta, that is the 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Again we will use it this identities. So 2. So how much you will get here? That is the tan 2 theta. So you have to write down the bracket 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. You will get this much. Upon 1 minus, use the bracket, tan 2 theta, use it this one whole square. Consider this one as whole square. So what you will get here? That is the 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Now we can use it here whole square. So now students, what we can do it here? It's very simple to proceed our solutions. So generally this can be multiplied here. So you will get here what? 4 tan x. So we will get here 4 tan x. 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. So now students, here what is given here? Whole square generally we have to use it in the denominators whole square. So a minus b whole square we will use it, and that will be our what? That will be our LCM. So 1 will be the LCM. So 1 minus tan square x, that means a minus b whole square. So how much we will get here? We will get here at this place. So a square, that means 1 square plus b square, that means you will get here tan to the power 4x minus 2ab, that means minus 2 tan square x. We will get this much, and this can be written here. Numerator is remaining here, so make the square of this one also. 4 tan square x we will get here minus 4 tan square x, minus 4 tan square x. And in the denominators, whatever it is remaining, keep it 1 minus tan square x whole square. Keep it as it is. So 1 minus tan square x whole square. So now students, what we can do it here? Something we can make it here corrections. 1 minus tan square x and this whole square can be cancelled. And this thing, it will multiply with this one. because we have learned this fourth term will multiply with this first term, and this second term will multiply with the third term. So first, second, third, fourth. This fourth term is there, no? So last one will multiply with this first one, and second one will multiply with this one. There is no second term, so it will remain same thing. So just we are taking at this place. So now 4 tan x, 4 tan x in the bracket, 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x, keep it as it is, upon. So in the denominators, what we can do it here, generally minus 4 tan square x and minus 2 tan square x. So it can be written here minus 6 tan square x. So it can be written here 1 minus 6 tan square x. So 1 minus 6 tan square x. So plus tan to the power 4x. This much is remaining. Plus tan to the power 4x. That means what we have got here. 4 tan x, 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. Same thing we are getting here. So that's why it is equal to what? RHS. It is equal to RHS, hence it is proved. You have got the answers. So very simple, students, just we have to use the formula only. So now let's see here, student, question number 24. So that is given here cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. So we will take it here LHS side. That is the cos 4x can be written here what? 2x. By doing the multiplications it will become 4x. So now cos 2 theta, use the identities. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We will use it these identities. So cos 2 theta, at the place of theta it is given here 2x. So use it this one. So 1 minus 2 sin square at the place of theta it is 2x. Now this is square, that means it is the square of this whole square. This much. So now again we are getting a sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta formula, that is 1 minus 2 sin 2 theta formula, that is the 2 sin theta into cos theta. So use it that one. 2 sin theta at the place of theta x is here. 2 sin x into cos x. So whole square. So now make the square of this one. How much you will get here? 4 sin square x into cos square x. So how much you will get here? That is 1 minus 4 to the 8 sin square x into cos square x. We have got here what? RHS side. So very simple this one also, students. So now let's see here question number 25th. Last questions. Question number 25. So let's see here question number 25. In question number 25 it is given that is the cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power 6x and minus 48 cos to the power 4x and plus 18 cos square x and minus 1. This much is given here. So now students, what we can do it here, let's see. We will use here cos 3 theta formula. 3 cos cube theta minus 3, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So we will use it this identities. Remember this part also. So let's see here. This can be written here what? Take it first LHS side. That is the cos 3 into, it can be written here what? 2x. You can use it this one 2 into 3x also. You have to use it here cos 2 theta identities. So I am taking here 3 theta because it can be become here 4. So what we will get here? Cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta identity is there 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So 4 cos cube theta, that is the cos cube, at the place of theta how much? 2x plus minus 3 cos theta, at the place of theta 2x. This much easy. So students, up to here no one should have problems because we have used here cos 3 theta formula, that is the 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta only. So now this cube, it can be written here what? Whole cube also. So now we can use it here what? Cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta, there are 4 formula. But which formula we will use here? Cos formula, in which there should be no sign. No, not tan also. Because on the RHS side totally we want cos only. So use the cos 2 theta formula, that is the 2 cos square theta minus 1. Use it this. So 4 and cos 2 theta, that is the 2 cos square x minus 1. Use it whole cube. Minus 3, again cos 2 theta, that is same formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So now what we will do it here? A minus b whole cube, we will use it here. A minus b whole cube, that is the a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in second bracket, that is a minus b. We will use it these things. So what we will get here? 4. So a cube means, so how much we will get here? 2 cube, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and cos cube is there, so its power will become here 6x. A cube minus b cube, it will become what? 1 only. Minus 3a square b, just we can do it multiplication also. Minus 3a square b, that is make the square of these things. So you will get 4 and cos to the power 4 theta. So 4 cos to the power 4x. So minus a square b is 1 only, and plus 3ab square, b square, that means 1 square 1, you will get 3ab square. So 3, a value is how much? 2 cos square x into b, how much? B square, that is 1. 1 square, that is the 1. And how much we are getting here? So just multiply these portions. So 3 to the 6. So minus 6 cos square x, and minus into minus you will get here plus 3. So we have got this much. So now students, what we have to do it here? Just we have to calculate here. So up to here we have used the identities. In the identities, this 4 is outside, so it should be multiplied with each and every terms. Up to here, because of the square bracket, this closed here. So now 8 4 is how much? 32. 32 cos to the power 6x. 4 1 is 4, minus 4 we will get here, and 4 3 is 12, and 12 4 is 48. Minus 48 cos to the power 4x. Now 4 3 is 12, and 12 2 is 24. 24 cos to the cos square x plus 24 cos square x. 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24 cos square x. So minus, it will remain same, minus 6 cos square x and plus 3. So now whatever like term is there, we will forget that portions, and rest of things unlike term it will remain as it is. So this 32 cos to the power 6x, it will remain as it is, and this one is also unlike terms, it will remain as it is, minus 48 cos to the power 4x, and this 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x, that means 24 minus 6, how much you will get here? Plus 18 cos square x, plus 18 cos square x, and minus 4 and plus 3, these are also like terms, solve it. So how much you will get here? Minus 1. So it is equal to what? RHS. So you may check it here, 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 minus x, it is here RHS. So hence proved. So very simple questions and very simple exercise this one was. So in the next video you will get here next exercise questions.